If your purple shampoo and conditioner isn't doing the trick, you need to try out this Virtue hair mask. I wanted to just show my hair color before I put a mask on it. I am pretty much due to get a toning. I need to go into the salon. I mean, it's still a decent color, but I just feel like it can be brightened and just toned a bit. But I'm going to try out this mask to see if I can extend it a little bit longer. So it's a little bit of a purple color. Obviously, that's what you want if you're trying to get kind of more vibrant blonde tones. Smells really, really nice. It kind of smells like their shampoo and conditioner if you've ever used Virtue's hair products before. But yeah, it's a 100% natural color toner, so great for color treated hair as well as uncolor treated. I'm going to put my hair down so you can see just kind of how it looks all over as well. We're using the Color Kick mask, which actually will turn back the clock on damage and strengthen your strands by using its alpha keratin 60 KU protein. My hair all brushed out, definitely looks a little dry, needing some love. And this is how it looks after being washed and styled. I'm definitely noticing like a nice cooler piece, especially on these front ones. You only leave it on for a good 2 to 3 minutes, but so worth it. I will be using this consistently. Like, I definitely can see it's got kind of more of a cool tone and it just looks like fresher, like I just came from the salon. So such a win in my books. Also, for reference, like, this was how much I used. I feel like it was a fair amount. My hair feels nice and soft and smells good too. Yay! Just wanted to include a couple clips from other angles and from the back.